Today we are drawing a tattoo style anchor. And please hit that subscribe button right here. Super cool. Bring it on to Vinnie.
Alright, let's go.
Alright guys, so today for this anchor, it's going to be at an angle. So make sure that everything that you're doing is going this way. Alright, let's get started. Start out with the heart.
The heart looks good.
Thank you. So now, I'm just going to do an upside down U shape. So now I'm going to make what looks like a donut shape up here. So I'm start out with the inner circle. And I'm not going to go all the way connected down. Alright, so now I'm going to follow along the inner circle with the bigger circle out here. And I'm going to be stopping right about here.
The donut shape makes me really hungry.
So now let's move on to the shapes on each side of the heart. So we're both going to do a line on each side, same length. And then we're going to do another one down here. Okay, now we're going to do a curved line. Then I'm going to loop it around, add some bumps, and make my way to the top. And then we do the same thing on the other side. Then back to this side, we're going to do a half circle, and then the same thing on the other side, just make another half circle. For the neck, we do one long line and one short line. And now we're going to start out with the rope. So we're just going to do little bumpy shapes. And then just continue all the way down. It's going to be kind of like a curve. Alright, so now to continue this rope, we're going to do some more curves on the other side. Then we need to continue this line and slightly bow out right here. And we need to do the same thing to this side as well. Right here, I'm adding a wide heart shape that will touch both lines of the neck. Alright, so now I need to continue the line of the rope. So I'm just going to go down here and add some bumps. And then same thing on the other side, just adding more bumps. Alright, so now we need to do the hook of the anchor. So to do that, we're going to start out with a curved line, just a very small one, coming like that. And then continue it up here. I'm going to come back around, curve in, and now let's do the other side. So do the same thing. Alright, so now on each of these tips, we're going to make spear shapes. Same thing on the other side. So after looking at this hook, I decided to make this part bigger, so I just added in this line. And now I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Alright, so for detail and dimension, I'm going to go in with my gel pen and add some more details. Alright guys, it's time to color.
Okay guys, it's time to color. Fast one, 3, 2, 1, go. Dun, 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 dun. We are done.
All done.
That looks so cool. What do you guys think? Let me see yours. That's good. That's good. Does it look like a cool tattoo? Bye.
Bye.
See you next time and watch all our videos.